Here I have Lenovo Phab 2 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the phone's dialer and let's activate the keypad. So now it's time to use the first secret code. Let's enter this code: *count, *pound, 4636, #*. That's it, the testing information pops up on the screen. So let's enter the first section, which is phone information. Here you can read such things as phone number, Imei number, the roaming, cell status and other stuff. Here you can also run a ping test or turn off the radio. You may also use more key in order to select radio band or get PDP list. Let's go back and let's open the usage statistics. Here we've got the list of all apps when you can read the last time used or usage time. Use back key again, let's open the Wi-Fi information, and here you can use the Wi-Fi API where you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network or get configured networks. Use back key again to open the Wi-Fi config, and if you have some configured networks, here you should find the full specification. Use back key one more time to open the Wi-Fi status, and here you can refresh all stats or run a ping test. Alright, let's go back a few times, and it's time to open right now the Imei mode. So let's use *##06#, and Imei information pops up. Now let me open the external version, so let's use ###000 and version information pops up. Here you can read the product version, software information or framework version. Tap OK. Let's use the engineer mode, so let's enter ###11111#, and the engineer mode pops up. Here you can perform the auto test to test all features. You can use the Tango test, manual test and see the test results. If you tap manual test, for example, you can choose one of the tests, for example speaker test. Alright, if everything is alright, tap pass. And you can also use other stuff, for example Bluetooth, GPS, sensors, microphone, LCD test, as you can see right here. Alright, let's go back, and now it's time to open the serial number, so let's use ###2222#, and serial number pops up in front of you. Tap OK. It's time to open the Lenovo Logger, so let's use ###3333#, and Lenovo Logger pops up. That's it. Alright, here you can use the following menu. You can use more key to see help. Let's go back. You can also perform the factory reset by using secret code. Let me show you how to do it. You have to use ###7777#. That's it. If you tap OK, you will restore our settings and you will erase all personal data, so let's be aware of that. Alright, let me tap no in my case. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.